Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gianta here, and today is really 8/17/2018, but this is the video for 8/16. I'm trying to do some video catch-up, so pretty much because the time passed and I was busy, so I didn't get to record the video and the updates, but this is actually the video for 8/16, August 16th, and this is video 11th, or 11. And I just wanted to go over the results that I'm having so far or whatever, and share that with you because this is the 11th video and it's on 8/16. So I just wanted to share this with you. I'm doing this at 2 a.m. in the morning, so it says 8/17, but it's really the video for 8/16. So alright, so now this is the first post I posted this morning when I woke up, and pretty much it has 30, 31, 32 likes, loves, and surprises, and 14 comments. So a lot of people were engaging on this. My whole goal with this post is I was actually trying to get people to tag the important people, to tag the leaders, so that way it goes around and there's some very powerful people in the post. So is what I did is I tagged some of my mentors on this post, and they commented on there as well. And then on this post, I haven't posted any motivational type memes lately, so I decided to post a motivational type meme, and this was pretty much around lunchtime. So I posted in the morning and then at lunch, and this was like a little bit after 12 o'clock, and it was this post about serving people, and that's a big concept in network marketing. Is you want to serve people if you want to make the money. So that's basically what this post is saying about. Then I posted a video. It was actually a little mini interview that I did when I was in Austin, Texas, at a marketing event, and a buddy of mine, his boy or whatever, he's into wine, and I became friends with him too. His name is John Michael, and I become friends with him too. He's real much into wine, but he learned a lot when he was at this marketing event in Austin, Texas, and he realized that I actually had a stutter when I did my videos. So he wanted to do an interview with me on that, and just post it on there to give people encouragement to actually do videos, to get out there and show your face and show who you really are. So you know what I'm saying. You don't want to hide who you are. You want the world to see everything about you. So it's very important, whether you feel the urge or not, you need to be doing video and get your face out there. It doesn't matter if you stutter. It doesn't matter if you're not good at video. People are going to admire you for actually having the courage to go out there and do it. And that's actually the response that you get from the marketplace. Like they trust you a whole lot more if you go out there and do a video, as opposed to somebody who has a perfect video, who has the perfect voice and the perfect everything. They want somebody who's more down to earth like them, who really might not know anything about video, but might be doing it anyway. So I posted that video, and that didn't get any engagement, but I know people are seeing it, and the whole point of it is if anybody ever clicks on that video, they're gonna find out a lot about me, which is really real cool, and that's why I posted the video. So yeah, that's all I have for you tonight. But if you want to learn how I'm doing this, how I'm getting the engagement to my profile, how I'm getting people interested in myself and my brand, is all you have to do is click on that link below this video. It's going to take you to a page to where you're going to learn exactly how I'm doing this, exactly how I'm getting engagement, exactly how I'm handling my social media to brand myself. So that's in the link below. So click that link below, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon. Alright? Talk to you later.